Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7, and if your stop lights, brake lights do not work guys, stay with us and we'll explain which fuse you need to check. Or also known, the fuse is known for brake light switch, so make sure guys you stay with us. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below and let us know guys if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So we'll go inside the vehicle now. We're going to press the brake pedal guys. Okay, press the brake pedal, hold it there. Check this thing out. There is no brake lights at all on both sides. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead, turn the key off. Okay, perfect. And we'll show you guys what we'll be working on now. We need to open the hood of that vehicle. Okay. And once you guys open the hood, okay, perfect. We're going to go ahead, okay, secure it, and right here now is the fuse box next to the car battery. So we need to open the cover, pull it out this way, pull up, and the fuse that we're looking at guys, it's called stop light or brake light fuse guys. Okay, and it's this fuse right there. This is the second fuse from top to bottom on the very left side. We'll pull it out and this fuse is completely guys shot. Check out, it's burned on the inside. So we'll guys get a replacement one now. Okay, right here. And check this thing out guys, it will be listed. You can find the link in the description of the video below. Amazing deal for all these fuses guys. It's only what you're going to pay for 2-3 fuses at the parts store, so it's an amazing deal. We'll go ahead, install the fuse now. Okay, like that. And what we'll do now, okay, let's go ahead and see if that will fix the problem in our case. Or we'll still guys need to maybe replace a brake light switch or something like that. So, brake is on. And so far guys, brakes do work on both sides and the one on top as well. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.